Hello everyone, welcome to Comfy Eating. Today we are making a super simple and slightly Desi style kimchi. Kimchi is a popular Korean side dish made by fermenting vegetables like cabbage or radish with spices. It's like a pickle, or you can say it's more than a pickle. In Korea, they eat it with rice, noodles or soups. It's also used as ingredients in dishes like kimchi, fried rice, stews and pancakes. Traditionally, kimchi is made with napa cabbage, but here we are using the good old Indian cabbage we all know and love. For this recipe, we will be using half of the cabbage and we'll cut them into square pieces. We need to separate the layers of the cabbage so that when we mix the salt, every layer gets coated evenly, ensuring the flavor is balanced and not overly salty in any spot. After separating the layers, we will add 2 tablespoons of salt and we will mix the cabbage well using our hands so that each piece gets coated well with salt. Next, we will add enough water to fully cover the cabbage. Now this step helps the cabbage become softer and also so it can soak up the flavors of the sauce better. We will let it rest for 1 hour. Next, to prepare the kimchi sauce, we will take 3 to 4 garlic pods, 1 piece ginger, 1 small onion, chopped pieces of 1 small apple, 2 tablespoons of cooked rice, a little water, and blend everything to a smooth paste. To this paste, now we will add 2 tablespoons of red chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of black sesame seeds, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, and mix everything well. Now this is our kimchi sauce. Next, after an hour, we will check the cabbage. It should have softened by now. So we will wash it thoroughly 2 to 3 times to remove the excess salt. So we will drain the cabbage completely to remove any excess water. Now to this we will add the sliced carrots. This will give a nice crunch and color to our kimchi. Now we will pour the kimchi sauce over our cabbage and carrots. We'll mix everything thoroughly so that each piece of cabbage and carrot is well coated with the sauce. That's it, our fresh kimchi is ready to eat, but the flavor deepens after fermentation. So for fermentation, we'll transfer the kimchi into an airtight container and we will leave this outside at room temperature overnight. After fermenting, we can store the kimchi in the refrigerator. So this is our homemade kimchi. Enjoy it as a side dish in fried rice or even in sandwiches. It's a versatile, delicious recipe you will definitely love. If you try this, let me know how it turned out in the comments. If you enjoyed watching this video, like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting and tasty recipes. Thank you for watching.